Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by getting the essentials ready so changes stick. Open Settings, make sure Location Services is on and Google Maps can use precise location. This lets pins and routing update accurately. Next, open the Google Maps app and sign into the Google account you want to edit. Synced data appears across devices. Once done, tap the profile icon, then go to Settings to access map options. These initial steps let you modify map behavior immediately and avoid permission problems later. Now you'll change the visible map and navigation settings. Tap the Layers button to pick Default, Satellite, or Terrain. Satellite shows imagery, Default highlights roads and businesses for easier navigation. Make sure to toggle traffic and transit layers when you need live congestion or public transport info. These layers help route selection. In Settings, change units to miles or kilometers and set voice guidance and avoidances such as tolls or ferries so routes match your preferences. Finish by editing saved places and confirming changes work. Go to Save to rename, move, or delete favorites and label your home or work so suggestions improve. This affects routes and commute predictions. If changes don't appear, force close the app, clear app cache via Settings, sign out and back in, or reinstall. These steps resolve most sync or display bugs. If a location is incorrect on the map itself, use Report a Problem to submit an edit. This helps Google correct data for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.